Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. So we are at it to discuss the CVS Best Deals ad preview starting April 10th through the 16th next week. CVS is popping. I mean, there is so many deals, so many options. I only put together, I think, 5 options today. However, there is so many more deals. And just according to whatever CRTs I get on Sunday, obviously I'll probably add more to my shopping list, but this is just to give you a general idea of what to look forward to, some of the deals that I am definitely keeping my eye on. And then, of course, I included a spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck household scenario. Super glad that is back and kicking this week. I also want to start by first apologizing for the lack of content this week. If you saw over on my community tab, I have skipped out on a couple of hauls this week because my son is dealing with allergies and molars at the same time. He has 3 molars coming in at the same time, and it is a heck of a week for us. Lots of crying, lots of throwing up, but I did treat him to some popsicles. Popsicles seem to be making it better. Lots of Tylenol, but you know, it happens. Part of growing up. It hurts to grow up, so I do apologize for the lack of content. Hopefully next week we can get back into some normalcy and a routine. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get into the CVS Best Deals without further ado. And if you are new and just found my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you are here to look over the ad preview with me. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Let's get into it. Between the CVS deals this upcoming week, plus the coupon inserts, it is a fantastic week. We are getting a Smart Source and Save insert on Sunday. Lots of coupons ranging from Airwick coupons, Palmolive, Sargento cheeses, all laundry detergents, Snuggle, Eucerin, Compeed, Nivea. And if perhaps your area doesn't have the good coupon inserts, mine does not. My coupon inserts vary. Sometimes I get them, sometimes I don't. I go ahead and order mine from BQ Savings. So she does 2-day FedEx shipping. So if I order it on Wednesday, I will get it by Friday, vice versa. It is super fast, quick, and very reasonable priced. And if you want to go ahead and do the same and order your inserts for this week, you can use my code Coupons with Abby for 10% off your first order. I just thought I'd throw that out there. I know a lot of us struggled to get the coupon inserts, so I figure why the heck not. Like I said, she's super reliable, and that 2-day FedEx shipping, you can't beat that. So this deal I am super excited for on some Love, Beauty, and Planet. It'll be on promotion for spend 20, get back a $10 extra buck. This deal is a limit of 1. So I would go ahead and buy 4. Online, they are priced $8.99 each, so that would total you $35.96 for all 4 bottles. We're getting buy one, get one free paper coupons in our 410 Save insert on Sunday. That coupon is a limit of 2, so we can go ahead and use 2 in this scenario. If you have a 4 off 25 hair care CRT or a 4 off 18, throw that into the mix. And huge shout out to Save with Steph on Instagram. She went ahead and kind of brought to our attention, I believe yesterday or today, that the 2 off 2 Dove instant coupon we all got this week on 4/3 is attaching to that Love, Beauty, and Planet. So go ahead and send that to your card, keep it printed because it is attaching. So with all of those coupons and CRTs combined, if you have them, you'll pay $11.98, get back a $10 extra buck, making it $1.98 for all 4, or about 50 cents a piece. That is some great savings on this brand. The Axe is also on a pretty good promotion next week. So it is on the Axe shower gel, deodorant, or body sprays. They're buy one, get one half off, spend 15, get back a $5 extra buck, limit of 1. So you can mix and match whichever you'd like. You can get the body wash or the deodorants. But for this scenario, you need to grab at least 2 body sprays to meet the coupon qualifications. So I went ahead and wrote down 4 body sprays. Buy 4 of them at $17.96. That would be the price that it comes to after the buy one, get one half off. So 2 will ring up at the original price of $5.99. The half off items will be $2.99. So that's 2 of those. So $17.96, like I said. We're getting a buy one, get one free Axe coupons in the 410 Save. Now make sure you read the qualifications and the fine print on these buy one, get one free coupons. It is buy any Axe product, you'll get a free Axe body spray. That is why I said you need to at least grab 2 body sprays in this scenario. So keep that in mind. Like I said, mix and match whichever you'd like, but I went ahead and put down 4 body sprays for the sake of this scenario. So, and that coupon is a limit of 2, so we can go ahead and use 2. And if you have any deodorant CRTs or body spray CRTs, throw that into the mix. But just using those 2 buy one get one free coupons, that knocks us down to paying $5.98, getting back a $5 extra buck, making it 98 cents for all 4, or 25 cents a piece. I think that is a pretty good savings for Axe, and definitely hold on to your receipt in case some rebates pop up on Fetch Rewards or Ibotta. And if you're new to those rebate apps, I do have them linked down in my description box if you want to go ahead and sign up. All right, I don't know if y'all are ready for this deal. I don't think I'm ready for it. Writing it down and planning this, I almost went into cardiac arrest seeing the moneymaker that this involves. Covergirl Cosmetics are buy 3, get back a $10 extra buck next week, limit of 1. Obviously, we're going to grab our favorite trusty brow pencils. At my store, they're $6.79 each, so grabbing 3 of them is $20.37 totaled up. So we do have a $4 instant coupon we got this week on 4/3 for CoverGirl Cosmetics. Go ahead and save that for this scenario. On one of my accounts, I have a 7 off 15 CoverGirl Cosmetics CRT. I thought that was pretty fantastic. And then in the 4/3 Smart Source, we got $3 coupons for CoverGirl eye products. There is no limit on it. It just says 1 per purchase. So I'm assuming we can use 3 of those $3 coupons, or you can mix and match. I believe we have some digital coupons and some printables right now on coupons.com. But using 3 of those $3 coupons, we are down to pay 37 cents. Getting back a $10 extra buck, making it an easy $9.63 moneymaker. I am just blown away. So I want to put this deal in here because I think it's super newbie friendly if you're trying to build up your account to get some extra bucks rolling in and to start generating some CRTs. We have Summer Eve's products on a buy one get one half off promotion next week. Buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck. So online, the cleansing cloths are $3.99. So the half off one will be $1.99, buying 2 of those, I should say. So that leaves you to pay $5.98 out of pocket. We don't have any coupons currently for these products, but if you have some CRTs, perhaps you can throw that in. However, it's not a bad deal if you're a newbie. Paying $5.98 out of pocket, getting back a $3 extra buck makes it $2.98 for both, or $1.50 each. Lastly, here is our spend 30 scenario. Obviously, you can mix and match whichever you'd like. We have some Pampers and some shampoo and paper products included. However, I went ahead and put this laundry scenario together because personally, I need to stock up on some laundry care. I have not done a good laundry deal in a while, so I'm definitely considering this for my haul on Sunday. So go ahead and grab 2 of the Tide Pods on sale for $5.49 each. One of the Downy Unstoppables also on sale for $5.49. And lastly, a larger Tide Pods or Tide Liquid at $12.99 on sale. That totals us to $29.46, which is in the 98% of 30 to still earn back our $10 extra buck. In this instance, 98% of 30 is $29.40, so we're 6 cents over that 98% to still earn back our $10 extra buck, if that makes sense. So we will go ahead and use a $2 digital coupon on one of the Tide Pods, as well as a $2 paper coupon from the April P&G on the second Tide Pod, a $1 paper coupon from the April P&G on the Downy Unstoppables, and then a $3 paper coupon also from the April P&G on the Tide Liquid or Pods, whichever you choose. There's also digital options available. So that'll bring the cost down to $21.46 you'll pay out of pocket. Obviously, you can use extra care bucks. Nobody's paying that out of pocket. But you'll get back a $10 extra buck, making the final cost $11.46 for all 4 products, or $2.86 a piece. I definitely think that is a great price considering we're grabbing one of the larger Tides, 2 Tide Pods, and a Downy Unstoppables. Alrighty, so that is it from me. Definitely CVS is not looking like a slow week next week. Of course, I only put a couple deals in here and scenarios, but definitely look through the ad. You will see so many options. And if my CRTs hopefully align with the deals on Sunday, this is going to make for a terrific haul. So definitely stay tuned Sunday to see my haul. Comment down below any deals you're interested in or any deals that maybe I might be interested in that I missed if you're doing any CVS shopping. And that is it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.